minus radius squared equals what? The equilateral triangle that's inside of the circle squared. Come and see how the circle and the equilateral triangle reciprocate one another. They mirror one another. They balance one another. Come and learn about a circle where all the squares originate from, where that equilateral triangle length is equal to 1, where the diameter and the equilateral triangle height reciprocate to equal 1, where degrees are found to be originally units of length. Oh, it's a beautiful circle. Praise the Lord. He is just and true, but a false scale is an abomination to the Lord. But a just scale is his delight. Delight in the truth of the Lord, and you'll be set free. You see, you might not think that truth matters when it comes to math, but the moral law in Leviticus 19 verse 35 states that you shall do no wrong judgment in length, weight, or in volume. I hope you seek the truth. I hope you seek to teach your kids the truth, and I'll give you a little nugget out of this video. Can you see this triangle? A triangle is diameters of the many circles that make up the ball, and there is 180 degrees inside of a triangle, but at the same time there are two arcs that sit upon every hypotenuse that equal 180 degrees. This is what we would call a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And this hypotenuse is the main diameter of the ball. And whenever the value is 1, the radius, what we call the opposite side, is equal to 0.5. When you square 0.5, you get 0.25, which is this section right here of this circle and a quarter of the diameter, making squares originally measurements. Now, this adjacent side of the triangle, which is the diameter of this circle, is equal to 0.8660254,038. And whenever we square this value, this length, you get 0.75, which is this section of this ball and 3/4 of this diameter. Also, the square is the length. That's why we can square the sides of a right triangle, add them together and take the square root and get the length for the hypotenuse, is because they are originally lengths representing portions of the hypotenuse, and 0.25 plus 0.75 equal 1.